Hi kids, so for today you will have grammar lesson, and as we start our lesson for today, I want you to read this list of words. Fortunately, unfortunately, surprisingly, happily, kindly, quickly, cleverly, easily, bravely, sadly. These words use "ly" to create an adverb. "Ly" is attached to the root word to describe how something is done. Like this. Fortunate is our root word, and we added "ly" at the end of it. It becomes fortunately. Happy is our root word, plus "ly" becomes happily. Kind is our root word, plus "ly" is kindly. Clever is our root word, plus "ly" is cleverly. Brave is our root word, plus "ly" is bravely. And sad is our root word, plus "ly" is sadly. Now, what is this "ly"? This "ly" is called a suffix. A suffix is a word part. It's not really a word. It's a word part, or a letter or group of letters that we added to the end of the root word. Remember, suffix, we add a suffix to end of the root word, to the end of the root word. We called it suffix. Okay? Now, I will read a story. This is a silly story from the story of the first trick. And as I read the story, I want you to look for the adverbs. Okay? One day, the enormous crocodile crept over to a place where there were a lot of coconut trees. He knew that children came there to look for coconuts. Quickly, Toto and Mary went to pick coconuts. Unfortunately, they couldn't see any. Fortunately, they could see a coconut tree with lots of coconuts. Bravely, Toto climbed the tree. Sadly, the tree was really a crocodile. Now, I told you, or I mentioned the word adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb or adverbs describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. I have told you, when we have adverb plus the suffix "ly", it tells us how something is done. Like example that we have here, adding "ly". So we have slow, the root word plus "ly" or the suffix "ly" equals slowly. Kind is our root word plus the suffix "ly", it becomes kindly. Now, this adding an is not a suffix. This is called a prefix. Now, what is a prefix? A prefix is a word part. Again, it is a word part. It is not really a word. It is a word part or group of letters that we added to the beginning of the root word. Okay? Example: unhappy, untrue, uncertain, untidy, untie, unwell, undress, unfinished. So we put the prefix "an", at the beginning of the root word, while the suffix "ly", we put it at the end of the root word. You can see the difference now? Okay, so if we add a prefix "an" to the root word, we put prefix "an" at the beginning of the root word, it creates the opposite meaning of the word or of a word. And if we put a suffix "ly" to the end of the root word, it creates an adverb to describe how something is done. Okay? So, remember that a prefix "an" we added at the beginning of the word, while the suffix li we added at the end of the word. Thank you and good afternoon.